Alright, my YouTube friends, it's cheat night tonight. We ordered pizza, pepperoni, and sausage. It's a real big pizza for the kids. Got a calzone with black olives, pineapple, and sausage. And my baby got some ribs. They're really good. If you guys are ever in the area around Detroit, Michigan, I'm gonna give you the name of it real quick. Royal Inn. It's called Royal Inn. Royal Barbecue. You guys ever around this area, you guys need to check them out. 5844 Mount Elliott, Detroit, Michigan. This is my cheat night. I'm tired. Got a side of macaroni and coleslaw. Well, I was just trying to share with you guys what we're eating for the night. Thank you for all my subscribers. Like, share, comment. God bless.